Hey guys, today I'm just going to show you how to connect easily to remote desktop from a host to your Windows server. This is a very basic setup. It has the least amount of security. It's just showing you guys the easy way. So I have my Windows client here and my server here. So first of all, what you want to do is go into server manager. You're going to go to local server. You're going to make sure remote desktop is enabled. Once that's enabled, you're gonna go to your firewall. So RDP uses TCP port 3389. You're gonna make sure your firewall allows that. So I'm gonna go to inbound traffic. Then I'm gonna look for port 3389. Or you can just look for the name remote desktop somewhere, then you'll see it around here. Let me just try and find it. Getting too far now. 3389. There we go. So remote desktop user mode TCP in and UDP in. You're gonna make sure they are enabled. Before this video they were not enabled, so what you're gonna do is right click it. You'll see enable rule. You're gonna do that for both of these. Once that's done, remote desktop by default allows only admin users to connect to the server. But let's say you want to add or you want to connect to the server and you're not an admin user. How you do that is type in control panel, go to system, go to advanced system settings, go to remote. Then uncheck allow connections only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication. Again, this is a very unsecure, very basic setup. Then make sure allow remote desktop to this computer is on or checked. Go to select users. Now you're gonna add the user that you're gonna use. In my case, the user is Abdul. Check names. There's a full name. Abdul is added. So Abdul has access to the server, or they are allowed to actually remote desktop into the server. So now everything on our Windows server is fine. Now we'll go to our host. We'll type in remote desktop connection. Now this 192.168.99.3 is my server's IP address. You're gonna add your server's IP address. In my case, I have two IP addresses, one for NAT and one for the host only network. Right now I'm using the host only network for both my Windows server and my host. So I'll use my host only IP address for the server, which is 192.168.99.3. So we'll connect. Okay, I have to type in the password. Since we allowed, your system administrator does not allow the use of safe credentials to log on to the remote desktop because the identity is not fully, I have to log in again. So we just input our accounts login, which is Abdul1, accounts password. Perfect. We're now into our Windows server through remote desktop on our host. Let's just open server manager. Oh yeah, it needs you to log in as admin. We'll do that now. Administrator. That's not how you spell. Admin is tray tool. There we go. Go and put the password as well. There we go. We can make changes on our Windows server to our Windows host through remote desktop. Quick and easy. Hope you learned something. Bye.